Hey there! If you've ever felt lost hearing the word statistics, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking it down for you in the simplest way possible. Let's start with the basics. There are two main types of statistics, descriptive and inferential. Descriptive statistics are all about summarizing data you already have. Imagine you have marks from your last math test. Descriptive stats help you find the average, the highest score, or even just organize the data so it makes sense. Then there's inferential statistics. This is where things get interesting. Inferential stats help you make predictions or draw conclusions about a bigger group, even if you only have a small sample. For example, if you survey 10 students about their favorite snack, inferential stats help you estimate what the whole class might like. So, why does this matter for beginners? Mastering the basics like understanding averages, percentages, and making simple charts gives you the tools to tackle bigger questions later. With just a little practice, you'll find these concepts popping up everywhere. From sports to shopping, even social media trends. Remember, statistics isn't about scary numbers. It's about making sense of information. Start small, stay curious, and step by step, you'll become confident at analyzing data. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward stats tips. See you in the next video.